Hi friends, I am Ganesh Thakur. In this video we will discuss on some important and previously asked questions from biotechnology. This video is important for those who are preparing for NEET and other competitive exams. So try to solve all the questions and write in the comment box how much questions you solved correctly. So the first question is a kind of biotechnology involving manipulation of DNA, and the given options are DNA replication, denaturation, genetic engineering and renaturation. And here the correct option would be genetic engineering. Genetic engineering refers to the direct manipulation of DNA to alter an organism's characteristics by using several biotechnological processes. So for this question the correct answer would be C, genetic engineering. Come to the next question. Polyethylene glycol method is used for, and the options are gene transfer without a vector, biodiesel production, seedless fruit production and energy production from sewage. And for this question the correct answer would be gene transfer without a vector. Polyethylene glycol method is used for gene transfer without a vector. Third question is, the mobile genetic element is mutation, variation, transposons and endonuclease. And here the correct answer is transposons. Transposable elements, also known as jumping genes, are DNA sequences that move from one location to another within the genome. Transposons were first discovered by Barbara McClintock, whose work won her the Nobel Prize in 1983. So for this question the correct answer would be transposons. Next question is, the first successfully cloned animal that gained worldwide publicity was, and the options are Molly, Dolly, Polly and D. Chance. So here the correct answer is Dolly. Dolly was the first successfully cloned animal that gained worldwide publicity. Next question. Alex Jeffrey developed the DNA fingerprinting technique. The probe he used was, and the options are ribozyme, rDNA, VNTR and SNP. So here the correct option would be VNTR, that is variable number of tandem repeats. Come to the next question. Which of the following is not a genetic vector? Plasmid, virusoid, phage and cosmid. And here the correct answer is virusoid. Virusoid are second type of pathogenic RNA that can infect commercially important agricultural crops, which are subviral particles best described as non-self-replicating ssRNA. Next question is, which of the following is the most suitable medium for culture of Drosophila melanogaster? And the options given are ripe banana, moist bread, agar-agar and cow dung. And here the correct answer would be A, ripe banana. Next question is, there are restriction enzyme called EcoR1. What does co part in it stands for? Column, colon, coenzyme and coli. And here the correct answer would be coli. EcoR1 is a restriction endonuclease enzyme isolated from species E. coli. In EcoR1, Eco stands for Escherichia coli, from which it is isolated, while the R represents the strain RY13. Roman number indicate the order in which the enzyme were isolated. So for this question the correct answer would be D, coli. Come to the next question. The total number of nitrogenous bases in human genome is estimated to be about 3.5 million, 3.1 billion, 35,000 and 35 million. So the correct option would be 3.1 billion. The total number of nitrogenous bases in human genome is estimated to be about 3.1 billion. The 3 billion base pair in the human genome are organized into chromosomes into 24 distinct microscopic units. For this question, the correct option would be B, 3.1 billion. Come to the next question. Which of the following is not a restriction endonuclease? And the options given are DNA polymerase 1, EcoR1, HIND3 and PST1. So here the correct option would be DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 1 or Pol1 is an enzyme that participates in the process of prokaryotic DNA replication. So for this question, the correct answer would be DNA polymerase 1. Next question is, Kary Mullis was awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1993 for his work on site-directed mutagenesis, polymerase chain reaction, mobile genetic element, and antibody diversity. And for this question, the correct option would be polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, was developed in 1983 by Kary B. Mullis, an American biochemist who won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1993 for his invention. So for this question, correct option would be polymerase chain reaction. Come to the next question. When did Dolly born the first mammal successfully cloned from an adult cell? July 1977, January 1980, July 1996 and December 1976. And here the correct option would be C, July 1996. Now next question. Who discovered recombinant DNA technology? And the options given are Hargobind Khorana, Walter Sutton and Avery, Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer, and D, James Watson. And here the correct answer is Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer. rDNA technology refers to the process of joining DNA molecules from two different sources and inserting them into a host organism to generate products beneficial for human beings. Next question is, a genetically engineered microorganism used successfully in bioremediation of oil spills is a species of, and the given options are Pseudomonas, Trichoderma, Bacillus and Xanthomonas. And here the correct option would be A, Pseudomonas. And the last question is, the function of polymerase chain reaction is translation, DNA amplification, transduction and none of these. And here the correct answer is DNA amplification. Polymerase chain reaction is a method widely used to make multiple copies of a specific DNA segment. Using PCR, a single copy of DNA sequence is amplified to generate millions of copies of a particular DNA segment. So here the correct option would be B, DNA amplification. That's it in this video. We will come back soon with a new topic. Like, subscribe and share our channel. Stay with us. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.